Welcome to GardenBambooPlants.com DIY Christmas Parol tutorial. Today, we'll be creating a beautiful and traditional Filipino lantern that will light up your holiday season. Parols are a symbol of hope, light, and the festive spirit of Christmas. So, gather your materials, and let's get started. Materials needed: 10 bamboo strips, 5 small bamboo props, glue, rubber bands, a pen knife, a bush knife, and most importantly, a fun and creative spirit. Step 1. Prepare the bamboo strips. Take the first 5 bamboo strips and ensure they are of equal size. You can use a pen knife to trim them to the same length if needed. These strips will form one side of the star. Make sure to smooth out any rough edges to avoid splinters. Step 2. Form the star shape. Arrange the 5 strips into 2 triangular shapes. To do this, lay 3 strips in a triangle, then place the remaining 2 strips to form another triangle that overlaps the first one. Use rubber bands to tie the ends of the strips together at each point where they meet. This will create a 5-point star. Ensure that the shape is equally spaced by adjusting the strip so that the 5-sided shape in the middle is symmetrical. Step 3. Repeat for the second side. Use the remaining 5 bamboo strips to build the second side of the star. Follow the same steps as before, create 2 overlapping triangles and tie the ends together with rubber bands. Make sure this second star is the same size as the first one. Step 4. Assemble the parol. Now, take the 2 star shapes and align them so that they are evenly spaced. Use rubber bands to tie the corresponding points of the 2 stars together. This will form the 3-dimensional structure of the parol. Step 5. Strengthen the structure. Use small bamboo sticks to prop the 2 stars up, giving them a puffed-out appearance. Insert these sticks between the 2 stars at various points to maintain the shape. Apply glue at the joints where the small sticks meet the stars to strengthen the connection and ensure the parol holds its shape. Step 6. Final touches. Once everything is secure and the glue has dried, your beautiful Christmas parol is ready to display. You can add additional decorations like colored paper, lights, or glitter to make it even more festive. Interesting fact: did you know that the largest parol ever made was over 50 feet in diameter and was displayed during the Giant Lantern Festival in San Fernando, Pampanga? This festival is famous for its enormous and intricately designed parols that light up the night sky. Thank you for joining us in making this traditional Christmas parol. We hope you enjoyed this DIY project and that your parol brings light and joy to your holiday celebrations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bamboo arts and crafts tutorials. Happy Christmas!